Alright, so once I'm done with the bias tape and I want to attach it to the edge like I've done here, I get a piece of thread, and what I do is you can see this really long loose stitch all the way along. What I do is I sew this and then remove this stitching here, which I can then use again for another piece, because this is basically a holding stitch, as you can see here. Just hold it in place so I can sew it up and then I remove it. Alright, so as you can see, I just sewed this here, and now I get to remove this loose holding stitch. Whoa, probably really close.
Yeah.
Alright, so I literally just finished sewing the double wrapped bias tape around the entire edge. Let the wife come in close and so you can see get a better look at it. I am very proud of this. And the great thing, comes off rather easy. But there you go. Update.